everyone. My name is Pranjal Bagwe
My name is Mansi Yadav.
My name is Sanjana Vishwakarma.
and we are from B.R. Madhuri English School,
Our
And-
model name is
GASLV MK3. In the memory of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the Missile Man of India, we have made this model.
So basically the model in front of you is GSLV Mk3, which is the rocket who has launched the Chandrayaan 2 on 5th June 2017 at 5:28 p.m. at Sriharikota, India. So basically, what's the importance of just this GSLV in today's world? So GSLV has opened the gate for the Indian scientists to make any man-made mission possible in further. Also, it has a weight load capacity of around 4,000 kg of ton, and also it has made India a self-reliance and reduce the dependency of India on other countries for bringing any launch vehicles to India. So the fundamental principle on which the rocket is made are mainly Newton's third law of motion, aerodynamic and thermodynamic. As everyone knows, that Newton's third law of motion says every action have its equal and opposite reaction. Further topic will be said by my course member.
Now I will tell you about the aerodynamics. Understanding how air is vital around a rocket is really important. So aerodynamic principles helps to build the rocket that can withstand these immense forces. The other is thermodynamics. Rockets produce extreme heat during combustion. So thermodynamics principles helps engineers design engines that can withstand this extreme heat and convert fuel into thrust. The competition between the United Nations and Soviet Russia led to the formation of this golden era of rocket development. Now I will tell you about the space research.
So basically, what's the future about the space research? So in future, the space research can be done in a higher speed, because with the help of this rocket, we can search about the sign of life in other planets like Jupiter, Mars and our neighboring, and also we can see the occurrence of changes that has happened in our universe continuously.
And this is not the beginning or end of the rocket science. In future, more development will be there in the rocket science. Thank you.
Thank you.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.